Now that we're into 2025, it seems like a good time to look back on everything that happened in 2024. It was a great year for 2H Media. We saw record success and connected with a ton of amazing businesses through the CDAP program. We also streamed consistently, releasing new clips weekly. Here are some of our most watched topics from 2024. What are the benefits of digital ads? Google pulls the plug on uBlock Origin, the importance of an SEO content strategy, Meta ads versus Google ads, and discussing dark patterns and the Adobe lawsuit. It's great to see that Christina's guest appearances were popular. Christina does a ton of SEO and advertising work with us, and we're sure we'll have her back on camera in 2025. First discussion questions. What were some of our favorite professional highlights from 2024?
I love how you added professional there.
Well, yeah, it was a good year all around.
It was a good year all around. We had a lot of fun. Professional? Oh, I think the back-end systems that we've put in place are the Airtable, CRM, Bleeds, all that. We have some awesome systems now in place that allow us to do a lot more work faster, more consistently. That whole system started, finished, is fully operational, is awesome. I'd say that's probably one of my favorite tools now within the company is Airtable.
For sure. I think in terms of professional highlights, one of my favorites from 2024 was sponsoring the Taste of Guelph.
Oh, yes, that was a very fun event.
Yeah, it was a really good time. It was for a great cause.
Yeah, that was in the summer.
Yep.
They're an awesome organization.
Help raise some money for the hospital here in Guelph.
Yeah, I think it was like $300,000.
Yeah.
That was there. So I don't know how far that gets close to an MRI machine, but like it was good.
Gotta help.
We saw a lot of clients there. Great food, great vendors, great organization all around.
Gave out a lot of great link cards.
Yes. So we had some promotional material. Yeah.
We sponsored the refresh station. So if you were enjoying this dressed up, food-focused event, and you got some of the aforementioned food on your outfit and needed to clean up, that station was sponsored by 2H Media. Lots of stuff there to take care of people, like Tide pens and
breath mints,
branded link cards, so you could
all kinds of stuff.
Give yourself the quick brush off.
It was great weather.
Yep.
I know that in previous years when we've been sometimes a little cloudy, a little rainy, but this was beautiful. And they do a whole nice setup there, so it was like a nice summer day. Everyone was looking good.
Had some great colleagues and friends out there with us as well. Yeah. It was a really good time.
And we'll be back next year. Well, 2025, this year.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Anything else stand out to you?
That was obviously one of the big ones. The amazing work we did through CDAP was a real highlight of the year as well. We worked with some great businesses. We met a lot of businesses that were new to us. And we impacted them in some really positive ways. I know there were a lot of people doing sketchy things through the CDAP program, but we had a really good service offering that a lot of businesses got a ton of value out of. So like in terms of overall operations of the company, I think that's one of the things I'm most proud of in 2024.
Cool.
It was also, I believe, our first full year streaming. We've been doing videos for a while, but like this streaming was new to us in 2024, which actually ties into our second discussion question for this topic. How will the 2H Media stream be evolving in 2025?
Ooh.
The biggest change is we are changing our streaming dates around. So we are going to be streaming at the beginning of every month, the first Friday instead of the last Friday. The reason being, it didn't make a lot of sense doing it at the last Friday because by the time we edited and released that content on YouTube, for anyone catching the content after the fact, our January stream wouldn't be releasing until February. Well, if we do it at the beginning of the month, then our January content can release in January. So it just makes more sense from a workflow perspective.
Otherwise, we're always making other changes behind the scenes as well. More technology, new stuff. We're going to keep with the topics, the technology and marketing and the things that we know best and things that we like talking about. That's not going to change.
I'd love to find more opportunities this year to answer specific questions through the stream. Like if you look at our top performing videos, there's a couple of ones that were like news things that got a lot of attention, and our videos on them got a lot of attention. But what are the benefits of digital ads? The importance of an SEO content strategy, Meta ads versus Google ads. Those are all like very much more instructional focused you're going to come away from this really learning something specific, knowing the answer to a specific question, rather than getting a more general opinion on some of the broader topics that we cover on the stream. If we can do more episodes focused like that, I think that would be a
It'd be good.
great value add, and we might see some of the other watch numbers go up even more as well, which would be great. What's next for 2H Media in 2025?
Ooh.
We've got so many great irons in the fire.
How much do you want to tease?
I wouldn't go into too much detail. We can tell people we're doing some grant stuff. We're well known at this point for
Grants?
helping businesses capture some government money to help them achieve some of their goals.
There's going to be a product launch in 2025.
Yep, that's pretty exciting.
I can't say too much more than that, but that is...
But we can tell people it's through Sprint Point.
It's through Sprint Point.
Right?
Sprint Point products.
Is branching into physical products, which is going to be very exciting.
Yes.
If you're building a business that's new or refining a business that's established, following Sprint Point on social media, making sure you're signed up to our newsletter through the website, that's a great way to be aware of everything that's coming out through that branch of our operations.
You're definitely going to hear a bit more about that as it's coming. Very cool partnerships coming up.
Yeah. Working with some really great people.
Yeah, we're working with some really great people. Again, we'll tease it. You're going to hear more about it. We're really excited about it.
Yeah.
Great people that we've got a long history working with, but now doing some things in a more formal manner.
I think some of it we can call out directly too. Like, so Talib Khan, we met through CDAP, and he was a great referral partner for us through CDAP. We worked really closely together, met some awesome clients in his network, and we're really ramping up to do some great work together again in 2025. Even though CDAP is no longer happening, the relationships we built through our networking around that program have led to some fantastic opportunities and some really cool people. And I'm excited to share more about what's happening with that as we get into 2025 and can speak publicly about some of the cool things we're doing.
Yeah, very cool things.
Some other great partnerships as well on the Shopify side of things. We've got some great stuff coming up.
Yeah, that is probably going to be the stream that we focus on in February. There's really some cool Shopify stuff. As you know, we've been working with them for many years now.
Yep.
We love their product. We love the fact that it's a Canadian company. There's lots of great things to say about them. You're going to be seeing a lot more of us on their channels as well as that goes through. Lots of cool things happening there. Lots of actual outbound marketing this year.
Yeah.
It's just cool.
We're gonna be busy.
More of our face. So I hope you like looking at our faces because you're going to see a lot of them. So yeah, we're excited. It's shaping up to be a really interesting year already. So I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, through and through. So
Is there anything else you want to share about 2H Media before we move on?
Oh, anything else you want to share about 2H Media before I want to go on? Am I missing anything? Is it a trick question?
No, it's not a trick question. We can do the usual plugs. If you, if anything, if you're struggling in any of your business, from your operations to your marketing, and you need a second set of eyes on anything, you need some expert opinions. If you need some content created, I would encourage you to reach out to us. Book a strategy session with one of our experts. I'll do the full spiel at the end, but
yeah, it was a good wrap up to 2024. Black Friday, Cyber Monday went really well. Boxing Day, the holidays went really well. We were able to have some fun, see some family. Everything went really smoothly, and then a strong start to 2025. Yeah. So yeah, it's been good.